Hey guys, I'm going to show you the typical house these days and the kind of floor coverings that they have. This is probably a really good example, so let me show you. Alright, so as we go in, we have our luxury vinyl tile, LVT. Since the past 5 years, pretty much that's kind of what we've been seeing. So it's everywhere. Usually in the entryway and the foyer, the living room, maybe the dining room. And then we get the rugs. And then of course, the upholstery has not changed. And then going up on the stairs, pretty much still standard. Most of them have carpet because it's also a filter. So it's going from one floor to another, keeps it clean. Then again, more luxury vinyl tile. Just holds up a little better. It's waterproof, better than wood, but it looks like wood. Of course, furniture. More luxury vinyl tile. Then we have carpets in the room, pretty much rooms and closets. So, closets. Some real leather chairs. More carpet. Rooms, pretty much carpet. Then we got tile wood. Interestingly enough, I know it looks like natural stone, but it's not. This is very popular these days. This is somewhat of a slip-resistant porcelain. Show you some more rooms. Entryways still have carpeting just for the walk-off. Capture the dirt, dust. Another story. So we got carpet again. Sort of a barrier between the floors to keep them clean. Then of course, where you have luxury vinyl tile, wood, tile, you end up with carpet. Then here, there's tons of stuff. Movie theater seating, lots of leather. Some chairs with leather. Here we have some real wood with some tile border. Again, people like that carpet, the warmth of it in their bedrooms and other areas like that. So basically, as you saw, this is kind of what's happening these days. There's lots of different floor coverings and pretty much any type of floor covering we can do. So we got your carpet, your wood, your luxury vinyl tile, you got your ceramic tile, you got your natural stone. And then as far as the furniture goes, I mean, that hasn't changed. That's still available everywhere. And then the rugs, the loose rugs, have actually increased in sales. So there's even more of them now because once they get a hard surface, then they're looking to put something on it. As you can see here, there you have it.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.